Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Yvette Quale with Yvette's Junk Journal Shop. And today's video I'm going to be sharing quite a few things here. So the first thing I'd like to share, if you're following along with the hashtag 12x12 Junk Journal Challenge 2024, which I am a co-host with 5 other ladies, and I am the main host for February, you will know that I am creating a junk journal sister set with my kit Sunflower Power, which is here with the signatures. You'll see those in another video, so check that out. And then I have been working on the cover, and I'm hand stitching the cover. So this is the progress that I've made. I just thought I'd show you guys that. I'm about halfway through putting the stitches on here. The next video that you'll see regarding this will be putting the beads on here. So I will get back to that as soon as I'm to that portion of the work. So I just wanted to give you a little update on that so you know where I'm at with that. Okay, then I have, as you see here, a couple other things on my desk. So I do have 2 new digital kits, which I will talk about here in a moment. I have the paper bag journal from the July challenge that I'm in, the 12x12 Junk Journal Challenge 2024. So this was the paper bag journal that I made. So that's going to be in this video for a special reason. And then over here, some of you may notice that this is some Edith Holden papers, and I'll be telling you about that as well. So let's get started here. What I want to start with is the digital kits, because I want to save the others for in a moment. So I have 2 kits here. The first one is called Pink Rose Sentiments, and it is 2 pages of tags, 3 journal pages. This is a free kit for February in my shop. It has a rose theme, and then I've just got a couple of them with some sentiments on there that I thought would go nicely with the kit. So as you can see, there's pretty pink colors, everything in a rose theme. I've printed these on cardstock because I plan to use those, of course, as tags. And then here's the second page of tags. These are very large, as you can see by my hands. And then I have 3, I have this all upside down, 3 pages here. There's the first page and the second page. I really have this upside down. And then the third page here. So those are all part of the free digital for February, so you'll want to check that out. Then the next one that I have, this is in my $1 digi set, and I'm going to separate these out so that we don't get confused what I'm doing here. So again, this is the Pink Rose Sentiments free kit, 2 pages of tags, 3 journal pages. The next one is called Simple Floral Tickets. This is a $1 digi. It's a 5-page, and all of the pages are these pretty tags. So how I use these is cut them out and then punch a little hole in them and put a bead dangle on them. So I do have a tutorial on that, which I'll link in the description box, how I made those. So the ones that I shared in that video, I made with Edith Holden pages, but these tags are pretty much ready to go. So as you can see, there's little notches and places for you to cut out. So I just along this jagged edge, I use my pinking shears, and then I use a hole punch and just use half of it on these, and on the corner just use a quarter of that. So that's how you get that shape without having to cut each one of these things. So this is the first page here, and then we have this page. So they're all just very simple floral tickets, and then fold it in half and put on a page. These would be really pretty. So there's all different colors in here, and like I said, this kit is $1. So these are a little bit larger, and you could use these as like a flip spot, or these could be pockets in your journal, and the same with this one. So that's how I see this being used, is as a like a flip page or a flip out, you know, flip up or flip out, and then these being used as pockets or journal cards. So again, that's Simple Floral Tickets and the pink rose sentiment kit. Okay, and then the next thing that we're going to share here, you guys may have already seen the video on this. This was my paper bag journal that I created for the Junk Journal Challenge. I'm just going to open this up and kind of flip through it as I talk. So I recently was blessed on my channel to reach 1,300 subscribers. So this is going to be a giveaway journal for anybody who orders from my shop anything other than a digital. So if you order a digital kit, then you are not eligible for this. But anybody who orders and supports any of the artists in my shop with the supplies or journals that we have, journal supplies and handmade ephemera, you will be put into a drawing. And on the last day of February, I will have a drawing, and that person will win this journal. So again, this was all featured. If you want to take a full look at it and have a little bit more description of it, I'll try to remember to link this video as well so you can check that out. But again, this is for anybody who purchases any tangible physical item from my shop in February. So what I'm going to do is just keep track of those sales. You don't have to do anything on that one to be entered into that other than order something from my shop. And then the next thing that I have is this one. And this is, as some of you may know, the Edith Holden book. We all look for these books, and I have been fortunate to find two of them. So I have one that I keep whole, and that's this one. And as you can see, I just love Edith's writing. And if you don't know the history of Edith Holden, in 1906, she took an entire year and documented the flowers and animals that were around her, and then she journaled about it. Her family found her journal in an attic, and in 1977 it was published. So a lot of journal makers love these images. The pages are very nicely colored. We use the numbers, we use everything out of these and cull this for our journal making. So what I've done is I've pulled 15 pages from the other book that I have that I pull pages from, and anybody who comments on this video and tells me what you've liked about my channel, you will be entered into a drawing to win the 15 pages of Edith Holden book pages. So I'm going to flip through these really quick just so you get an idea if you're not familiar with this. If you are familiar, then you'll recognize these right away. But if you are not familiar with Edith, then this will be a real treat for your eyes. So beautiful drawings and images, lovely writing. And these can be made into pockets and tags, or you can use the whole page in your journal. Just lovely. I love to use the numbers, and then I like to use just little pieces like on a page like this. Lots of these have writing on one side and an image on the other. I tried to include pages that were written on both sides so that you could just tear out those images and use those words in your journal making. So again, there's 15 pages here. So comment in the description box what it is about my channel that you like the most, or even if you want to put in there how you think I can improve or what you'd like to see. That really helps me. I do appreciate every single person who has subscribed to my channel. So I was excited to see that number come up and to be able to have a giveaway for you guys. So thank you so much for your support and your encouragement for all of the artists in my shop. Again, to be entered into the drawing for this journal, anybody who purchased a physical item in February, automatically you're put into that. Okay, and then we have our digital kits here. So please go to my Ko-fi site. That is Yvette's Junk Journal Shop on Ko-fi. You'll find all of my items. A lot of my artist items are there. We have lots of journals right now, so let's I even have some on sale, so go ahead and check that out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much again for your support and encouragement, And always, always, let's be kind. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.